Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Gaggia Classic Espresso machine. And the problem with this machine is that this three-way valve was bad, and so we replaced it. And so now let's go ahead and test the machine. See if making a right shot. We'll test the steam. The Gaggia Classic is a great machine, actually. It's pretty solid. The main thing you just need to do is backflush it. Every about 60 shots, you backflush this thing about every 60 shots, and this machine will last you for years. And it makes really solid shots, and also it's good for steam, as long as you're willing to wait. That's kind of the hardest part about this machine, is the waiting for the steam. But let's go ahead and check it. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.